All right, folks, here we are. It's a continuation video on the 2016 NEWMAR Dutch Star installing the Wii Boost. We're having a lot of fun here. Up top was a prep for a satellite dish, but of course, I ain't putting a hole in the roof. Plus, it was about 2 more foot back where I needed to be from. So we're trying to make the installation as easy as possible without really putting a lot of holes in things on a roof. So here we go. I'm going to get you in there. I think I showed you this on the other video. Let me turn it around. Whoa, see? Boy, that stable guy there, buddy. All right, see that red mark? Right there. All right, so that would lined up with this puck light that pulls out on these spring clips right here. All right, that one I bent a little bit. I'll straighten up and stick it back. Now, there's a 120 cord. All right, let me show you. Put you on hold real quick. All right, we're back. If you see that yellow cable up there at your 120, 20 amp service there, most likely going to the AC unit on top. We're not worried about the 120, but it's okay. Had to unplug all this, so that is the cable. Let me show you back there. Right there, that it's hooked around, okay? So I'm gonna have to feed from there, but what I did, put you on hold one more time so I get things set up. Okay. All right, so I got this speed bore bit right here. See how long it is? It's that long right there, 24 inches or something like that, 18. Well, what I did, I lined up that red mark with the outside, measured back. I stuck this up in there. That's the top of that fiberglass cap. So she's about that far in. So I had to make sure I had enough, and barely made that. Look at that. So I just used this as a measuring rod. I know you're upside down. I'm not no video expert, people. I'm not paying a crew to come in here and do all this. But I'm just trying to teach you how to do your stuff. And for reference, so you see the red mark right there. Okay, so that was up, and that's that cap up there. Now the ceiling is right about there. Okay, so that's what we went up into, all that. All right, now, well, I'm gonna put you on hold, and I'm gonna get up there and show you where it went. I speed boarded already, show you where it went. All right, remember I was talking to you about you had a satellite prep already? Well, right there it is, and there is no hole under there, folks. But you see how far away that was from where I was, see? So I got to reseal all that because there's small little holes that kept the plate down. And I'm going to hook up this antenna to that antenna that's automatic powered. So there was another way I was trying to do it, but that was too far back, and there's your frame going across the roof trusses. So that's where we came out. You know, if you look down, right about there is the red mark. You come straight up and straight down. So you've got one little solar charger right here. All right, and he's got a capability of putting another one over there. All right. So now what I got to do is we got to fit this in, okay, because that's not the right size hole. And then we'll put it that way. I'm pointing it back, and these are screws to hold it into the fiberglass. Once we get all the cable run, we're going to put a generous application of a RTV silicone sealant up here. And then we're going to run the cable down, back over that way, tab it in, and over. All right. Remember, I had to do some time on that. And I found out, he was telling me about, hey, they got it. I said, all right, let me check it out. So that ain't a hole in there, but I guess it's cable ready. I'm not gonna put a hole in there to find out. And then there's another way to put a cable in, but I had to take that whole inside out, and I didn't want to do that. That's just ungodly. The less work we do, the less problems we have. It's a beautiful coach, so we try to keep it that way. So this is another speed board bit, which is about the same size as that. So that I'm going to drill that right now, make that hole a little bit bigger because it's only a 1/2 inch. All right, that's a 1 inch. So that was from inside up. All right, so let me put you on hold and I'm gonna drill that. If you need help and learn how to drill with a speed bore, let me know. Leave me a message down below. I'll be glad to go over it with you. All right, folks, fiberglass. I should have had my little N95 mask on. So, see, that goes in there. Of course, you'll put the cable in first, but all right, so now that's that part. We got our holes drilled. Now we're gonna have fun running some cable. All right, I'm right up against my ceiling of my garage. It's 14.8. Maybe next year I'll make it 20 foot. That's about 15 grand upgrade, but we're going to hold off on that. Depends where this economy goes. So let me turn, probably recess the lights, but she fit in here real good. I can do roofs and all that. You can put a 45 footer in here and open all the slides and still work. All right, so this is the safe ladder on top of a scaffold. Notice it's very steady. Sorry, folks. Part of the job. My wife will probably get on me. You back this man out and you're climbing up and down. Yeah, you know how they are. They mean well. But there's my supply system over there. There's a bunch of stuff. And of course, you know, the woman has like Christmas stuff in the bag, but I ain't saying nothing. All right, so let me put this on pause. We're going to get down and we'll try to fish that cable in. And I'll show you that when it's done. All right, folks, let's warm up here. I had the heat on. Yeah, remember, heat rises. All right, I got an idea here. Got to be careful though. I think this goes up. I think I can use this plate right here. I'm hoping that ain't plastic. It is plastic. Darn it. Well, it's got pins in it. Right there, these 2 pins. So I'll have to pull some of this cable through. There, I'll pull some of this cable. Right, there you go. See? That's pretty good. And while I'm up here, I'm gonna take all these connections off and put dialite grease in them. So I think what I can do is give this gentleman, Mac, a lot of height. Hold on here. Yeah, I'm here somewhere. It's here somewhere. Hold on there. There it is, right there. Got all the wrenches and stuff. So the antenna goes on here like that. All right, and I can put this kind of like right there, and then when it goes up, my God, it'll be the height of this plus this. So this will give him a heck of a reach. Like in some of these RV parks, you're stuck down in hills and all that. So that'll give him from there to there. Look at that. I'll try to get a full view. All right. So that'll do it. And it'll go up with this TV recepting antenna. All right, Wingard powered. Really nice rig. All right, so I'm going to put you on hold. I got to come up with something. I might have to mark something, drill it. All right, of course, right? Always modifying stuff. All right, thank you. This is Jeff Marvey Don. I'm going to put this thing on hold. All right, here we are. We're back. I had to do some things. So I got one bolt, double nut. I had to take all thread and make jam nuts because I don't have no other bolts. So I got to go order my stock up from bolts and all things. Here you go. And I got the washers off of here with a little bit of split washers, or what we call lock washers. Hold on, let me see. See the split in it? And it's pressed down and lock. All right, well, I'm gonna drill. And I put this little extension on here just to get that extra 2 inches. All right, so I'm gonna put you on hold. I'm gonna drill.